try this.
I gotta get those punch balloons blowed up. Those big punch balloons. You got a little pacifier, Matthew? Get those are gonna be fun in a bathtub. We gotta get a bath soon. Is that your favorite one? You like the blue one? There's Mickey Mouse one.
You can't play with this yet.
Why?
Look at the batteries.
How many batteries? What kind? I didn't think to look.
5 batteries, but I don't
But
know right now.
is it big ones? Because I have little ones.
It just looks like it. Only on the picture.